If you're renting and you got hurt because your landlord didn't fix something that they were supposed to, maybe a broken stair, mold issue, or something around the pool, you're probably wondering if you have a case. And the answer is maybe. But there's a very specific way to figure that out. I'm Kerry Woods II, a personal injury attorney based here in Miami, Florida. If you're watching this because something went wrong at your rental property and now you're dealing with an injury, I want to walk you through exactly what you need to know. This video isn't just general advice. This is for you if you've been hurt and you don't think your landlord takes your issue seriously. So let's talk about what counts. If you were injured on the property that you were renting and your injury was caused by something that was unsafe, like a broken stair, loose railing, mold that's been growing behind a wall, or a broken tile, you might have a premises liability claim. But here's the key. Your landlord had to have known about the problem, or at least they should have known. Let me give you an example. A woman came to me not long ago. She had been reporting a water leak in her ceiling 4 months. Nothing was ever done about it. A while later, she started having respiratory issues. As it turns out, there was mold growing inside the ceiling. If her landlord had acted on those original complaints, she likely would not have developed respiratory problems. That's not just bad property management. That's negligence. Or imagine you're heading down the stairs and the railing suddenly comes loose. You fall, you get injured, and you realize that other tenants had reported this problem before. That's another example where the landlord had time, notice to fix a problem, but did nothing. That's what we look for in these types of cases. Or maybe your apartment complex has a pool with a broken gate or no latches. A guest or even a child could get hurt. Again, it's about what the landlord should have done to keep the property safe. Now, if you're dealing with a situation like this is what I'd like you to do. First, document everything. Take photos and video of the condition that caused your injury. And if you have messages or emails that were sent to the landlord about the issue, save those. Second, make sure you get medical treatment right away. Even if the injury doesn't seem that major, you need medical documentation for your case and for your help. And third, don't try to figure this out alone. These cases can get complicated quickly. Talking to a lawyer early on can make all the difference. So if you're watching this and think, hey, that's me, let's talk. You don't have to wonder if you have a case. Let me help you figure it out. When a landlord ignores issues and someone gets hurt, it's not just a mistake. It's a failure of legal responsibility, and you shouldn't have to carry that burden of that injury alone. I'm Kerry Woods. I help renters in Miami stand up for their rights and get the justice they deserve. If that's you, reach out. Let's take the next steps together.